Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shobha from Hoskote, Gfgc. Already we have studied about session number 21. In that simple average method we have been studied. Now let us move on to the weighted average method. In this method, price is calculated by dividing the total cost of materials in the stock from which the materials to be priced could be drawn by the total quantity of materials in that stock. This is how we need to be calculated. Now, let us move on to the problem. Look at the problem here. The following transactions occur in the purchase and issue of material. On Jan 2nd, purchased 4,000 units at rupees 4 per unit. On January 20th, purchased 500 units at rupees 5 per unit. On February 5th, issued 2,000 units. On February 10th, purchased 6,000 units at rupees 6 per unit. On February 12th, issued 4,000 units. On March 2nd, issued 1,000 units. On March 5th, issued 2,000 units. On March 15th, purchased 4,500 units at rupees 5 per 50. On March 20th, issued 3,000 units. From the above, prepare stores ledger account using weighted average method. See, the weighted average method, as I told you, the total should be divided by the stock, how much you have been purchased. The same format, there is no change. Take date, particulars, receipts, issues, and the balance. Look at the problem here. On January 2nd, purchased 4,000 at the rate of rupees 4 amounted to 16,000. You have been purchased. And now, after the purchase, immediately go for the balance. See here, we have taken 4,000 at the rate of rupees 4 amounted to 16,000. Next, on January 20th, we purchased 500 units at 5 per unit. So 500 into 5, you are going to get 2,500. Now, what when we are doing under the weighted average method, whatever the total amount you have, with that total number of the quantity, what is the quantity we have, with that we need to be divided. Okay, now see here, 4,000 plus 500, 4,500, and 16,000 plus 2,500, we will be getting 18,500. Now, we need to calculate the cost per unit. See here, 18,500 divided by 4,500. We will be getting the cost per unit is 4.11. This is the cost per unit. Andre, whatever the balance we have, with the help of the balance, how many number of quantities we have, that should be added. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ February 5th. We have been issued. ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 2,000 units should be issued. Okay, now you have been issued 2,000 units. Cost per unit, see, already you have calculated the cost per unit. Okay, now how much you should be issued now? 2,000 na issue ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Out of 4,500, issue 2,000. Now, what is the cost per unit? Already you have been calculated. That is 4.11. Okay. Now, see, 4,500 minus of 2,000, you'll be getting 2,500 is the balance. 18,500, whatever the balance you had, 18,500 minus of 8,220. you will be getting 10,280. So this is how we need to be calculated under the weighted average method. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು weighted ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದೀನಿ. 20ನೇ ಜಾನ್ವರಿ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? 500 units ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Take 4,500 and earlier you had a balance of 16,000 plus 2,500, 18,500. So 4,500 minus of 2,000, you are going to get 2,500. 18,500 minus of 18,500 divided by 4,500, you will be getting 4.11. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು 4,500 minus of 2,000 ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂಡ್ 2,000 into 4.11, you are going to get 8,220. Now 4,500 minus of 2,000, 2,500 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 18,500 minus of 8,220, you are going to get 10,280. Now as I told you that ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 10,028 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2,500 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2,500 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will be getting the balance amount. Okay, next let us go to the February 10th. How much they have been given in on February 10th? Purchased 6,000 units at the rate of rupees 6 per unit. The amount to 36,000. Now immediately after the purchase you need to go for the balancing. 2,500 plus 6,000, you will be getting 8,500. Again 10,280 plus 36,000 add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, you are going to get 46,280. Now we need to calculate the cost per unit. 46,280 divided by 8,500, you will be getting the cost per unit is 5.44. Next one, on February 12th, issued. How much you have been issued? 4,000 units to be issued. So here, what is the balance we had? 8,500. ಈ 8,500 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 ಅನ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. And next, what is the cost per unit? Same 5.4. Take the cost per unit as 5.44. 4,000 into 5.44, you are going to get 21,760. Now 46,280 minus of 21,760, you will be getting 24,520. 8,500 minus of 4,000, 4,500. Next, on March 2nd, say again we have issued. How much you have been issued? 1,000. What was the balance we had? 4,500. From this issue 1,000. Out of 4,500, you have issued 1,000. What is the balance available now? 3,500. Now, what is the cost per unit? You need to be taken for the issue price. Already we have been taken the issue price. Okay, 5.45. 1,000 into 5.45. You are going to get 5,450. And now, what is the balance? 4,500 minus of 1,000. You will be getting 3,500. And the same cost per unit, 5.45, amounted to 19,070. Next, on 5th March, we have been issued. How many units we have been issued from the stock? Already we have 3,500. Out of 3,500, we have issued 2,000. And what is the balance we have? 3,500 minus of 2,000, you are going to get 1,500. Now, what is the cost per unit? Already we have in the balance. So 2,000 into 5.45, you are going to get 10,900. Now, already On 2nd March, we had the balance of 3,500 minus of 2,000. You are going to get 1,500. What is the cost per unit? 5.545. Amounted to 8,170. Okay, next. I hope you got it. On 15th March, we have purchased 4,500 and the cost per unit is 5.5. Amounted to 24,750. Immediately after that, you need to go for the balance. You have to add that. You will be getting 6,000, the same cost per unit. See here, because look at here. See here, what is the cost per unit we have been given on March 5th? 5.45. Okay, now see here. Now on 15th we purchased. What is the rate? 4,500. Now, what is the balance you are going to get? 6,000. And what was the balance you had? You add this 24,750 and 8,170. You will be getting 32,920. So 32,920 divided by 6,000, you are going to get the cost per unit as 5.49. Next, on 20th March, issued. Say 3,000 units. What is the cost per unit? Already we have that. 5.49. Take that 5.49. So 3,000 into 5.49, we are going to get 16,470. So 6,000 minus of 3,000, you will be getting the balance is 3,000, and 32,920 minus of 16,470, you will be getting the balance is 16,450. This is how we need to be calculated under the weighted average method. As I told you, it should be calculated by dividing the total cost of materials for the stock. Now, closing stock in the organization. How much the closing stock is available with us now is 3,000 units at rupees 5.48 per unit. Amounted to rupees 16,450. Now, let us move on to the next problem. The same way you need to be calculated. From the following, prepare the store's ledger account using weighted average. On January 1st, purchased 500 units at rupees 5 per unit. On January 5th, purchased 600 units at rupees 6 per unit. On January 15th, issued 350 units. On Jan 20th, issued 200 units. On January 25th, purchased 200 units at rupees 2 per unit. On January 30th, issued 600 units. This is the problem. I hope you can consider this as an assignment, and how we have done the previous problem. I hope you can try the same problem. Thank you.